Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the series. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we see that number 2, number 4, 8 and number 16. That is about 7 over 2 to the power of number 0 in here. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about 2 square. This one we have number 2 to the power of 3. This one we have number 2 to the power of 4. So in this situation, and we start at number 0 in here. And then we go to infinity. So the first thing we know that they repeat about number 7. So we have number 7 over number 2 to the power of n. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.